Ski Skiller, thank you so much. Hi Kana, hello. I have to sneeze. Sorry, I sneezed. Freaking Jesus! I have yet to have sprayed myself now. What? This looks dirty. It sounds so nice when it's going. Butt worms. You guys ever had butt worms before? You poop out the butt worms? I think I've actually had something like that, but I don't know if I dreamt it. If it was like a very like, have you ever had those dreams that are like freaking so vivid and like a little nonsensical that you confuse it for reality?